And by the way, love always find a way. I can't move and feed my children there. This was from last week. But I can bring seed here. Look at my children. Thanks God, Nora it's not here, but thanks God Nora will come here because I know in spirit. 1 week my cat Nora missing, but they are blessed now the Nora it's not here because she will captivate all of them. All of them, trust me. I never saw this butcher in my life. I love my Nora, but I love my cardinals. Look at my children. Yeah. What can I do? I love to feed. And I can go and drive, but I can fly with them in the spirit. Yeah, cardinals. And look at you, it's my blue bird. Oh, she communicates. Sometimes, symbol of blue bird. When you have blue birds coming all over talking, this is squirrel at home, be aware. She has some vibration who usually go in this direction, but sometimes what you don't see big picture, she take care of others. Yep. She called them and they're together happy. There's so many. And they know. They come, I can hold my cardinals. They love my vibes. Many times they hit the windows and then I'm doing massage or try to save, Sometimes I lose them, just they like to come in. I have a lot of plants at home and it's visual and energy, They feel safe here. What can I do? They love me. I love them. Look at Precious. Precious, they have nest here too. Nora and Birdie. Birdie was my another cat. And far away neighbor because we are here, we have our own property and pretty safe for my animals, but neighbors' dogs kill my Birdie. I'm still grieving about my powerful mosquito. Something like that cat. I became cat because they choose me, Dogs and cat goes well here with me. I have good balance with them. Look at this precious creature. I love this mess. You see? This is life. Children, feed the birds, take care of your doggies, do constructive things, knock it off all this media. I know, revolution it's already, but revolution starts within, with us individually, hurting others and attacking. This is anarchy, but we stand up for right things. We know better, but start in us, with us, not with phoniness, not with blaming others, not with bias. Been there, children. Been there, children. And never ran. I didn't escape from my country. I've been there and came here to lose my 2 daughters. But this is life. I'm not the only mother who lost her children. I'm not the only wife who have husband who has cancer. But I'm the only one who can change me and make this place better. And I'm the only one here who are in charge of my doggies and birds who are here hungry. And I gave them water. Give some water and seeds if you have, or crumbles for birds. This is our angels. Look at this precious. Oh, look. Mama loves you. I don't want to scare them, You can see female and male. Oh. Stuck, but not defeated. Love always find a way. Now he bullying. I don't like bullies. Oh, no bullying. And my loving birds was here. I just cannot. This is human nature. This is how I'm reactive. It's in my nature. I cannot take bullies. I took them in my, when I was in three of my school, one in Italy and then Yugoslavia and then Germany. They know. Two grades elderly guy who was bullying girls, I knocked them at the spot. And they know how to respect. Thanks God for giving me strength. Yep, physical and mental. Now you know better. Children need to be dangerous for this world. Sensitive, like loving bird, and sharper than snake. This is kind of in the Bible. I'm not snake person. I just sing on them and I let them go. Not that. I like this Scorpio eagle. What about that, huh? What do you think about that? Who cares what we think? It's what we do and how we are here in service. And I'm now in service of my birth because I'm stuck. Hubby will take care after of me to take me out, you know. When you have three machina and you can do nothing, just one is functional. This is my hubby. He's full in charge. I'm just keeping him in life, you know, healing him and keeping him. Whatever, you know, see, this is constructive. Saturn, Ketu, and Pluto in my 8th house. Oh, yeah. Boy, talk to you soon. Look at these eyes. Nothing wrong. Look at Caradian. Ciao. I want them to eat. Bye.